Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now. Latest motorcycle engine parts, cylinder kit and piston. Item number 1. 67mm 235cc big bore cylinder kit and piston for Honda CRF 230F, CRF 230F, SL 230XR 230F, TR 223 SLXR 230cc engine parts. This product is suitable for the models SL 230 19097 2014, CRF 230 2003 2014, FTR 223 230 2003 2005, XR 230 2003 2008. Cylinder inner diameter 67mm, piston pin 15mm, brand name CQZY and CY origin, CN origin, material type aluminum, model name CRF 230G. Please confirm the parts will be fit on your scooter. Item number 2. Motorcycle engine parts for Lanson CR6 Vogue 300R, Kawasaki KLX 250, KLX 300 air cylinder block and piston kit and head and base gasket kit. Engine model E300, suitable model Lanson CR6 Vogue 300R, can be used for refitting Kawasaki KLX 250, KLX 300. Place of origin, China. Item number 3. Motorcycle engine parts, cylinder gas cylinder CB200, RE200 engine pistons and rings 63.5mm piston kit. Brand name, Heizhang origin, CN origin. Item type, pistons and rings. Item weight, 2.1 kg. No. Of cylinders, 1 cylinder. External testing certification. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products, then see the description. Click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.